Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best products in the market, one video at a time. And today, we're diving into what we believe is the best 700x23C bike tube you can get your hands on right now. The LotFancy 700x23C, 25C bike tubes with a 60mm Presta valve. Whether you're a seasoned road cyclist or someone just getting into the sport, this tube might just be the upgrade your ride needs. These LotFancy tubes are designed specifically for road bikes with wheel sizes ranging from 700x23C to 700x25C. That means compatibility is spot on for some of the most common high-performance road tires out there. So no worries about sizing, LotFancy has made sure it fits just right. Now let's talk about build quality. These tubes are made from high-quality butyl rubber, which gives you solid performance across a wide range of temperatures and weather conditions. The airtightness on these is impressive, helping you maintain tire pressure longer and reducing the frequency of top-ups. This durability translates into a smoother, more efficient ride and potentially a longer lifespan for your tires. One standout feature is the 60mm Presta valve stem. This length is perfect for deeper profile rims while still being easy to use on standard wheels. The valve is sturdy, easy to inflate, and works with most road bike pumps. A longer valve like this one adds versatility, and you won't need an extra valve extender unless you're running really deep rims. Installing these tubes is also pretty straightforward, especially if you follow a few simple tips. First, inflate the tube just a little bit before putting it into the tire. This helps it hold its shape and makes installation easier. Make sure the valve is positioned at a 90-degree angle to your rim and securely fasten the locking nut. After that, carefully fit the tire back onto the rim, making sure the tube isn't pinched. Once everything's in place, inflate the tire to the pressure recommended on your tire sidewall, and you're good to go. These tubes are ideal for road cyclists who want reliable performance for training, commuting, or even amateur racing. Because they're made from butyl rubber, they offer great resistance against punctures and general wear and tear. Whether you're clocking long miles or navigating the daily urban grind, these tubes hold up. Now for the best part, value. This particular package includes 2 tubes, which makes it an even better deal if you're someone who likes to keep a backup in your saddlebag. At the price point it's offered, you're getting a solid product that competes with more expensive options on the market without cutting corners on quality. To sum it up, the LotFancy 700x23C, 25C bike tubes with a 60mm Presta valve are a fantastic choice if you want high-quality, durable, and easy-to-install inner tubes for your road bike. They offer a perfect blend of compatibility, performance, and value. No gimmicks, just solid functionality that gets the job done ride after ride. If you're ready to upgrade your tubes or just want a reliable spare to carry on your next ride, this is the one to get. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns every week. You've been watching Product Critique. See you in the next one. Ride safe.